Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch a spirit mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So the spirit mutation is only exists in the spirit roots. So if you want to have that fish, you just need to teleport to the spirit root first and just use your radar first to spot it easily like this, and you'll see the spirit here at the top of the fish. You just need to equip your gun and shoot it. Okay, I got the spirit jellyfish in here. Now just hover it long enough until you successfully catch the spirit mutated creature. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.